हेलो व्यूअर्स, यू आर वाचिंग एसएनएस वर्ल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट हिस्ट्री, टॉपिक इज द राइज एंड स्प्रेड of Islam. In this chapter, at first, what do you mean by Islam? Islam was a religion. Religion क्या है? एक बिलीफ सिस्टम है। जैसे तुम लोग पहला चैप्टर में पढ़े थे क्रिश्चियनिटी के बारे में, उसका फाउंडर कौन थे? जीसस क्राइस्ट। Like that, in medieval period, another religion called, which name is Islam. Islam religion, it originated in Arabia and West Asia. Here, आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्या, कौन इसका फाउंडर थे, किस तरह से ये स्प्रेड हुआ, इसका प्रभाव क्या पड़ा। When it originated, it affect on human life, politics, life and culture. Politics, life and culture of human beings, and in India it impacted on the culture Hindu and Muslim, fusion of Hindu and Muslim, and culture changed. Who was the founder of Islam? Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad, his lifespan is 570 common era to 632 common era. जिसे हम पहले से बोले थे, कोई महान लोग आते हैं, उन लोगों का इन्फ्लुएंस से बहुत सारा आदमी आ जाता है और बहुत सारा चेंज आता है, बदलाव आता है। उसी तरह प्रोफेट मोहम्मद एक आदमी थे। उसका जन्म 570 कॉमन एरा इन मक्का में हुआ था। तो पहले उसका बाल्य जीवन के बारे में थोड़ा बता देते हैं। वो पहले ऑर्फन थे। उसका चाचा उसको देखभाल करते थे। He helped his uncle in trade and he got opportunity to travel many places. There he met Christian, Jews and collect their views. And at the age of 40, he saw a vision. He thought that उसका फीलिंग आया जो मुझे भगवान का मैसेज देना है सभी को। इसीलिए वो इंक्लाइंड हो गए स्पिरिचुअलिटी की तरफ और वो मैसेज देने के लिए निकले। वो पहले बोले थे अल्लाह हम लोग का गॉड है, वो एक मैसेंजर है। अल्लाह इज द गॉड, ही इज पावरफुल, मर्सीफुल एंड वाइज। सो हम लोग को भगवान का पास शरण लेना चाहिए। इस्लाम मीन्स सबमिशन एंड another Kaaba was a cubic stone building which is at Makkah in the center of Al-Masjid Al-Haram. Then we discuss about 5 pillars. What are the 5 pillars of Islam? 5 pillars of Islam are Shahadat. Shahadat means what? Belief. They believe in God, Allah, and whatever Prophet Muhammad telling it is messenger of God, and their holy book is Quran. Salat, prayer. Their prayer is called namaz. They pray 5 times in a day. And Swam, fasting in Ramzan month from dawn to dusk. Zakat, charity. They feed the poor people and which are needy, they help. And another one, Hajj. Muslim go to Makkah at least once in his lifetime. That is Hajj. These are their principles, and their principles are known as 5 pillars. But many people going against Prophet Muhammad when his popularity spreaded. जब किसी का पॉपुलैरिटी स्प्रेड हो जाता है तब कोई आदमी उन लोगों का जेलस हो जाता है और उसका अगेंस्ट में लग जाते हैं। वो मक्का से मदीना चले गए, इसको बोला जाता है हिजरत। एंड हिजरा कैलेंडर दैट टाइम काउंटेड ही वेंट मक्का टू मदीना in 622. From there spread the religion North Africa and other places, many continents spread. And after that, what influence? And he left some successor, Abu Bakr. After Prophet Muhammad, his successor Abu Bakr etc. ruled, and they are called Caliphate rule. Caliphate, then Umayyad come, Umayyad after Abbasids, they ruled, and after that Turk attacked, and they established, and Constantinople renamed as Istanbul. After that, what their impact on political, economical, science and cultural. Political, you know that tax, rule and order, rule, law and order. They formulated such type of law which help them to set up good government, and road help them for trade, and economy, they export product, leather, textile, metal work, and doing business, India, China, Spain, they spread their trading. And science they borrowed zero from India and developed decimal system, algebra, trigonometry, those things they developed. Science, they are physician also, they do critical surgery. And culture, many books from different language they translated into Arabic language and developed literature. In this way they progress this field also. So how Prophet Muhammad influenced on the life of human beings, how Islam came, that things I hope you know very well. Like, share and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.